You have a error missing content in PlayStation Plus. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step for to solve this problem, okay, we are going to the PlayStation Store, okay, here, okay, wait, and here we are going to the search, okay, here, and here you put, okay, the First Descendant, okay, you put this the First Descendant, and here, okay, you have a update, okay, for the game, the First Descendant, okay. If you have update, you update the game, okay. The second step, okay, we are going to the PlayStation Plus here, okay, you wait, and here you check, okay, if you have a PlayStation Plus, okay, good, okay, if here, okay, you check, okay, and you solve the problem. Bye bye.